In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Azure AD with HubSpot. If you're managing user access and authentication within your organization, integrating Azure Active Directory with HubSpot can streamline your processes efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the settings section. You can easily find this by looking for the gear icon typically located at the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where you can configure various aspects of your HubSpot account. Next, within the settings menu, look for the security section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Login. This is where you manage authentication settings, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Login section, you'll notice a part labeled Single Sign-On, or SSO for short. SSO is a critical feature if you want a seamless login experience across your applications, eliminating the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. In this section, you should see an option to set up SSO. Click on this to proceed. At this point, HubSpot will provide you with two very important pieces of information: the audience URI, also known as the entity ID, and the ACS URL. These are essential for setting up the connection with Azure Active Directory. Make sure to copy both of these values carefully. Now, you'll need to switch gears and head over to your Azure portal. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to configure Azure AD settings. Once you're in Azure AD, you'll be pasting the audience URI and ACS URL that you copied from HubSpot. These will help Azure AD identify and authenticate HubSpot as a trusted service provider. A quick tip while you're working through this: double check that you've copied these URLs without any extra spaces or characters. It's a common mistake that can lead to authentication errors later on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Azure AD with HubSpot. This integration not only enhances security but also simplifies the user login experience by leveraging Azure's powerful identity management capabilities. Remember, with SSO, your team can enjoy quicker access while maintaining strong security protocols. If you run into any issues or need to troubleshoot further, both HubSpot and Azure have robust support and documentation that can be incredibly helpful. And don't forget, keeping your software updated and regularly reviewing your security settings is always a good practice to ensure optimal performance and safety. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Have a great day and see you in the next video.